Please.
When we say the blessings for like the foods and the grains and
Yes.
whatnot, I know on some of our like little sheets magnets that we have on our fridge, I know it says Baruch atah Adonai, and I noticed that you had said the other day Baruch atah Hashem. Is there a difference between saying those Baruch atah Hashem and Baruch atah Adonai?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's an amazing question. So one of the things that we're trying to do, not to use Hashem's name lightly in vain. So one example is actually what we had today when we said when the person is too close, forgot completely to say the blessing for the road, right? And the person is too close, less than 2.5 miles to the final destination. So you still allow, there is still a danger in these 2.5 miles that can happen, God forbid, with the person. There's still danger, still in danger. Some like minor, but still a danger. But it's still it's not a great distance. What sages call great distance. So we say the blessing without last line, and last line is actually blessing of Hashem. So you say all of the text, but without blessing of Hashem, because why? Because maybe this blessing is not necessary. So we try not to use Hashem's name in vain. So the word Hashem, it means Hashem, His name. His name. So when you say Hashem, I mean what? I don't want to pronounce His name for no reason, right? For no reason, only when the reason when I say the blessing. So if I read the whole line from the Torah, I can say His name, Adoi, as you pronounce it. So, but usually everybody understands what does it mean. So I would not say it, even though they say it. Okay, if I would read Tehillim, for example, for sure I would pronounce properly. And when we say blessing, of course we say Adoi, right? Of course, there is no. I'm not going to finish this word, right? So we say Adoi. But when we teach, so there is no purpose to repeat the same sentence like beginning of the blessing and Hashem's name in vain, because everybody knows what's going on. But of course, when we teach little children, so we don't say Hashem, right? We say Adoi, or like we teach them properly with proper pronunciation, because these little kids they're going to remember the blessing in their own way. Right, and then the time comes to say the blessing. They're going to say a wrong blessing. They would say Hashem, Baruch atah Hashem, and it's going to be a wrong blessing. That's not what we say. We say Baruch atah Adoi, right? So when there is no purpose, there is no reason, like strong, strict reason to pronounce complete name. So we don't pronounce. And sometimes when I read, I would say that's not how we pronounce. I mispronounce some names in purpose. And sometimes in many books they written like in not the proper way. For example, we say Elohim, right? That's not how it is pronounced. So I will substitute one letter. So but everybody understand what I say. Understand? So we say our God, right? Elohim. And some other names, I would say Kel, but K is not the right letter. So the one more time, we're trying to be careful not to use Hashem's name in vain. That's the bottom line. But when we say blessed, or when we teach others, especially kids, that's we must say Adoi. So yeah, that's a proper name. Okay. Got it? Clear? What we said?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So the proper, whatever it says on your refrigerator is correct. But when we learn, since one time I can say if needed, but other like more than one time is not necessary. Okay.